Hey there. Little baggy. I got something in here. Clean it off first. Got these online. See that little thing? Soak in cold water, immerse in cold water. Hong Kong. Humidifier. I just stick it right in my pouch. I had some Sutliff gingerbread, and it had been freeze dried because I forgot my little baggie out here in the truck and it was below zero. So I put that thing in there and brought it in the house, and like in a weekend it rehydrated this tobacco quite nicely. I think it was like $1.50 for a disc or something like that, maybe two. Got 3 of them. Just because I was of the opinion that it was cheap enough, so I really didn't have anything to lose if they didn't work. But I'm quite happy with it. So got off of work. I'm a smoky area here. Got my Mr. Rog small mortar. And I get to drive home. Just another day. It's Monday. I don't know if that qualifies as just another day or not. Some people really hate them. For some, it don't make no difference. I do have one other thing I'd like to show you. I got something. I wanted to do this for a while. And I finally did. Y'all think of that block of briar. So now I just have to figure out what shape I want to make it. It's not exactly cut centered. So I'm you know, kind of dirty. Dusty, maybe that's a better word. And I just have to figure out what do I want it to look like. Now, let's see. I don't know if I make that. Got something you can see. Oh, yeah, there you can. So, vent hole. Uh, Seems to hit dead center in the bowl. And maybe 1/32 off the bottom, 1/32 of an inch. So it ought to be good. If any of you have ever done one of these, I'd like to see it. Just because I still have to figure out what I want it to look like. Anyway, I'm going to put my seatbelt on. I'm going to drive home and enjoy the rest of my day, and I sincerely hope that you have a wonderful day yourself. Take care.